this is really a random vlog, so let's make some slutty brownies. I didn't plan on vlogging, but I was gonna make these anyway for me and my husband because I literally saw them on TikTok and I made them last year. And I was like, ooh, I haven't had these in a year. That sounds so good. And it's cold outside and it's like Christmas time and stuff. So we're gonna make slutty brownies. I'm gonna show you how to make them. This is not my recipe. I got this recipe off of TikTok. So I placed an Instacart order, so my stuff just got delivered. I got chicken pot pies for lunch for tomorrow and Friday since I work from home. I really love them. I think they're really filling. This is the cookie dough that we're using. This is the brownie mix that we're using. I'm using these cake pans from Publix. So I got eggs and bread. These are the Oreos. We're gonna make the brownie mix. I'm gonna take a picture of this stuff for the thumbnail. I'm in a really great mood, you guys. I'm having a good week, a good day. So, because I put that at 400 for this, right? Yeah, okay. Because I think for the recipe, it needs to be at 425. So I have to like up it with almond milk because we don't drink regular milk in this house. Unless I'm like baking something and the recipe calls for regular milk, I'll make it. But so I'm not like one of those people that's like, I never drink cow's milk. On a normal day, like what I drink in my coffee, oat milk. What I drink in my cereal, almond milk. So, yeah. So we're gonna make the brownie mix first, so that way when we assemble the cookie dough and the Oreos, like we can just pour the brownie mix on top. This is the brownie mix I'm using. I really hope this lighting is better, but this is the brownie mix I'm using. It's Betty Crocker milk chocolate. So I'm making it in an 8x8. 2 tablespoons water, 2 eggs, okay? So, boom. But yeah, so I got a second job. I have a couple trips planned, and I'm also saving to take my siblings a couple places. Those will be really great vlogs. There's some places I've been wanting to take them, so I'm saving up for that. My husband's birthday, he's gonna combine that with like his graduation trip, because he just graduated, which I made a TikTok. Okay, so we did the 2 eggs. Now we need vegetable oil and water. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and then half a cup of vegetable oil. Little thing of vegetable oil because honestly we use avocado oil to cook everything in. Chicken, like when I cut a piece of this, I want it to just come out. We get this avocado oil from where? Costco. That's where we get it from. You get it in like a 2-pack for like $10. Clean as you go. I am so excited to make PB&J. I love fucking PB&Js, y'all. Love them. Okay. Half a cup of vegetable oil. I always check the date on oil every single time that I use it. I'm going to tell you why. I check the date because one time I was cooking at my old job, and this is only for the OGs. Like, if you know, you know. But I used to work with kids. And I used to work with kids who were, you know, not with their parents because of whatever, for whatever reason. And so they were in our care and they were our responsibility. So I love baking. I was baking, and I think I was making like, by the way, this is strawberry crystal light. I think I was making like cookies or something. I think I was making them from scratch, y'all. So I think I was making like cookies or brownies or something from scratch, y'all, because it called for like flour, vegetable oil, whatever. So, and all the kids know I like to bake. I'm a big sweets person. It's, you know, sometimes it can be a problem. But I've gotten really good with my sweets. Like, I used to be really bad about it, but now I'm like really good about it. Anyways, but yeah, so all the kids knew I love to bake. So I'm like baking, you know, it's about to be buzz. I'm following a recipe, I think, like off of Facebook or like YouTube at the time or Instagram or something, y'all. So I'm gonna just use one fork now. It's almost done. So I'm like baking, and I put the stuff in the oven. I might have been making brownies. I don't know what I was making, but I know it called for vegetable oil, and yeah, the vegetable oil was fucking expired, y'all. Fucking expired. Just broke that. And good thing that did not go in here. But it was expired. So when it was done, I called all the little kids a piece. And they all started eating it. So, you know, I know it's buzz. Whatever. I can bake. Y'all, they said my shit was nasty. I'm like, the fuck? Whose? I tasted my damn self. I was like, what the fuck? The oil, the vegetable oil was expired. Okay. Brownie mix. It was expired, y'all. So I'm just like, what the freak? So, cookie dough I'm using. So I'm just like, what the freak, bro? So, I had to throw the whole thing away. And like the taste of it, y'all, you will never get the taste of fucking, it's like, it's as horrific as spoiled milk, but it's not. Because spoiled milk is like a different type of beast. So right now, these are little cookie dough balls. I'm placing them in the bottom, as you can see. And I'm just going to place them all there, and then I'm going to mush them together to like get them to form together. But yeah, so the last time I got these, I got 2 packs of cookies, so I hope this is enough cookies. Anyways, but yeah, so it's so bad, y'all. It's so bad. I had to throw the whole thing away. I was just really hurt. I was just like, what the fuck? Like, so yeah. So that really did it for me, babes. So now every time I bake something, I have to check the date on the oil. Bad oil will literally take over the taste of anything and have your shit fucking disgusting. I swear to you. Okay, so now I'm like smushing the cookie dough together to really get that like, what's it called? To really get that, to really get it to form together. So see, that's how I did it. That's what it's looking like now. Purr. So then, take your Oreos. These are the Oreos I'm using, the regular ones. Now, it's up to you. Some people, they use a double stuff. You can use whatever you like. It's your world, and I'm just living in it. And you know what I just realized? I did not start my timer on my freaking cornbread. So I'm gonna put it at 6 minutes and hope that's okay. We'll check it in a second. Okay. Look at them. Ooh, yum. Smells so good. I love a good Oreo. When I went vegan for like, how long did I go vegan for? A month, 2 months? Oreos are vegan. So Oreos were literally like, bitch. Oreos were next to godliness. It was the best dessert I ever had in my life because it was kind of like, unless you had a Whole Foods by you and you wanted to spend kind of crazy money because some vegan stuff is really expensive. Oreos. And I love Oreos. So I would take that Oreo and I would dip it in some peanut butter. Guess what movie I got that from? If you don't know what movie that is, we have other things to talk about. Oreos are on. But yeah, so I would literally just take Oreos and I would dip them in peanut butter. I got that from Parent Trap with the twins. If you haven't seen that movie, come on now. I really love that movie. I used to watch it all the time when I was little, along with the Rugrats. Not the Rugrats. Rugrats? Or no. The Rascals, Little Rascals. I used to watch that a lot. I'm a 98 baby, if you didn't know. If you don't know, now you know. You know what I'm saying? If you don't. Okay, so now I'm spreading the brownie batter on top of the cookie dough and the Oreo. So that's what's happening now. I'm going to pick up the camera to show you this part because I can't really show you. Okay, I'm making sure this doesn't expire too. I am really a stickler for stuff like that. I just don't play with my food. Okay, so let me show you. So So that's the brownie batter on top. Okay, so I'm gonna use this pan, and I'm gonna put the brownie pan on top, like this, and this is how it's going in the oven. I think it's supposed to go at 425, but I'm putting it in at 400. And then I'm just gonna keep poking the middle until I see that the cookie dough and the brownie mix is done. I need to take that off. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So, let me move you back. So I got my peanut butter, Jiffy peanut butter, original creamy. Crunchy peanut butter is good too. So, I'm pretty much the only one person that eats PB&Js around here. My husband loves them, but he doesn't make them. He'd rather buy the frozen Uncrustables, which I don't blame him. Easier to make, let them thaw. They're awesome. So I take the Oreo. Then, That's all I'm gonna eat. Because I'm gonna have a piece of that later. So, we put this stuff up. But, if you like Reese's, and I mean love Reese's, like the peanut butter chocolate mix, you'll love that. You'll love this combination. That was amazing. Okay, I'm also gonna try these Cheetos for you guys, because I want you to see, like, if I like them or not. I don't think I'm gonna like them. I'm gonna tell you why. I'm a type of person, I love Cheetos. And I like lime because I like guacamole, and I like lime in my guacamole. But, and I like hot Cheetos. But first of all, I didn't want no damn hot Cheetos. I wanted cheddar jalapeno. So, I'm already thrown off. There's nothing cheddar-y about this. There's nothing jalapeno-y about this. That's not even a word. You know what I'm saying? But still. And they were buy one, get one free, so I was really excited because I love the cheddar jalapeno one. So I'm like, ooh, 2 bags for the price of 1. But now I got 2 bags of these. I tried them before, I didn't like them, but I think they say your taste buds like regenerate every 5 to 7 years or some shit like that. So I tried these like 4 years ago, so let's see. It's like I have 2 bags of them, so I kind of have to eat them, you know? Alright. The only thing is I don't really want to be eating spicy shit. Like, I used to be I could eat a hot fries bag every day type of girl. Now I cannot. And I'm so serious because, like, I really wish TikTok was around when I was in middle school and high school. The muffins. While they're like, okay, it's nothing near what I wanted. And I don't like that they didn't, like, message me and tell me that they didn't have them and give me the alternative to, like, either refund it or just whatever. So they gave me a $6.31 credit, which is how much this was, the chips were. That's fine. Hey, I didn't really get to end yesterday's vlog. What did I do yesterday? Oh, I made the brownies, and then my husband and I ate dinner, and I was playing on the game, and I just got sidetracked, so I showed y'all a little clip of them. But I gotta figure out the first way that I made them, because the first time I made them, I followed this one girl's recipe. And I think she had them in the oven at 350. But the one I did yesterday, I just looked it up on TikTok really fast, and she said to put it in at 425. And I feel like they just didn't come out as great as I wanted them to. So once I find the right recipe, then I'll link it for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi. I missed you guys. Your girl is back vlogging. I know I've been saying that like all year, but it just, I don't know, I just feel like this year just so much just happened like that I was not expecting, and I was just in a different headspace. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog. It's not gonna be too long. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.